It's coming along nicely. I just have that much to do, which isn't much. Probably what, 11 or 12 feet. It's going okay with the sledgehammer, but I may transition to the jackhammer only because it is so hot and humid. I would rather the jackhammer work for me rather than the sledgehammer. I don't know what time it is because I took my watch off. I was sweating so much. But I'm just gonna knock the rest of that out, hopefully, and call it a day. The rest of the yard I'm waiting to dry out because it's been raining and it's just muddy. I can't really work with it to spread everything evenly. So I'm just gonna stack this up, take my time. And like I said, if it gets too hot, I will get the jackhammer out of the garage. You guys have seen that yellow thing when I broke the floor in the restroom. Well, broke the floor to build a restroom to lay the pipes. All right, see you in a bit. All right, coming along nicely. Check that out. Now I'll probably have what, maybe 6, 7 feet left. It's breaking up pretty easy because it wasn't thick, if you know what I mean. Slabs weren't thick. So I'll probably have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 feet left. That's 8 feet. So I'm gonna break that out, stack it, and be done. All right, this is probably the last check-in before I get it done because it's about to storm. And I don't know if you can hear the thunder. I went on and broke out Big Bertha. How many of you guys remember Big Bertha? So I'm gonna put a bit in. These are the bits right here. I'm gonna pop one in and I'm gonna use it because it's about to storm and I wanna get this done. So you probably won't see another update until it's all broken up. Here comes the rain, can you hear it? Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the thunder. It's coming down pretty good. Let me get to it. I'll probably wait it out. As you see, Bertha's back wrestling. Alright guys, I'm not going to make this video long with just droning on. So all the cement is broken. I mean all of it in nice small manageable pieces. So all I have to do is just ooh, you see that lightning? All I have to do is take the wheelbarrow there, put the broken pieces in. Ooh. And I'll probably store it in the behind the garage until I find something to do with it. I don't want to pay $20 per load to just take it to the dump. I'll probably crush them and use it for something else. All right, hope everyone is having an awesome day, and I will talk to you soon. Peace. Those holes you see is where the jackhammer cracked the cement. very nice, manageable pieces that I can just take up. So as you can see, it stopped raining and storming, but it's supposed to start up again. So I'm going to get started, put back on the boots, and this is the morning routine. Alright, here we go. Back to the garage. You're kind of getting behind the scenes footage here. Out with the tennis shoes and in with the boots. So I received a question in a prior video when I said I keep my outside gardening tools in a trash bin. I didn't literally mean the trash. It's just I use this trash can to store them in. That's all. Yeah, I don't keep them in a literal trash. Well, yeah, it's a literal trash can, but not in the trash bin that it may have sounded like I said. And this way I can easily, you know, grab things. All right, I was just taking these rocks back, and I think I just killed the wheelbarrow. Now it's time for a new one. Oh my goodness. Did I actually just outwork the tool? All right, another root bites the dust. Just a brief update. Basically, I just have this to go. And since my wheelbarrow bit the dust, I'm just putting the rocks in this bucket and I'm stacking it behind my garage. Yeah, so I'll leave this here till another time. But yeah, look at that. As you see, the sun is out. It was calling for rain and severe thunderstorms, but I guess the weatherman was wrong. But it could change. It's what is it, 8 something? I think the last I checked, it was like 8:29. But yeah, it's coming along. And since it's Formula One weekend, they're racing in Great Britain at Silverstone, you know I'm not going to be out here long. I'm going to get this here, and I'm going to call it a day. Remember, I have all summer to do this, so I'm in no big hurry. But I do want to wait until the soil dries out a bit before I start doing anything back in it, because look at this. It's soaked like clay. Like, look at that. So, yeah. This is going to be my weekend. I think qualifying starts at 10:25, so I have more than enough time to finish this, jump in the shower, make another chai tea. Yep. Catch you in a bit. All right, start date July 18th, 9:18 a.m. It is 82 freaking degrees. And I've accomplished what I set out to accomplish. All the big chunks are gone, stacked behind the garage. These here, I'm gonna get some other time. Those were the first pieces. Remember, the wheelbarrow broke. I outworked the wheelbarrow, as you can see there. And I just got that wheel for it, by the way. I had a wheel that took air, but it kept going flat. So this is a hard rubber wheel. So that wheel is literally brand new. But yeah, I set out to do what I wanted to do today, and now it's relaxation time. Gone. Remember what this looked like before? Gone. I just took a rake and rake the loose rocks up. I'll throw those in a bucket, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna call it. I'm happy with my achievement. Hope you guys are having an awesome Saturday, and I will see you soon. Peace.